Hi there! Hi guys! So we have great news! We hit 25 subscribers! 25! I think now we are on 26 subscribers, which is incredible. We never thought we were gonna make it this far. Thank you. Yeah, and we are super surprised. Thank you so much for sharing this and coming with us on our journey and taking us and trusting our content that it will be amazing. I hope it is. Please, if you don't like something, you can comment down below. We are gonna take it to our account, and if we are good enough, we will try to repair it. Yes. So help us make this journey better. You are a part of this content, so you can improve it and improve us. Yes, exactly.
Petra, what do you think is appropriate for today's video, because we have so many subscribers?
Yes, exactly. They definitely deserve the best content, and since last week was a total failure on our part, it would be best that we fix it. What do you think?
Well, that is a very good idea, Petra.
Awesome! So, I think we should scrape all the color that cracked from the canvas and then
start over.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay, let's go for it!
Since this painting is ruined, I am very interested in what's going on beneath it. So I will try to show you what will happen when I go into one of these cracks and with the tools. I'm now pushing it with my fingers from the bottom. Peel off magic. You can save those pieces and make a mosaic out of it later. I hope I get that really big piece out. That would be fun. Mosquito tried to bite me in the middle of destroying the picture. The biggest piece ever! I really like the pieces, I don't know. Do you think I can make something out of them? Okay, so now I have almost all of them out, and I can remove it from the frame. I scraped the whole canvas, but unfortunately there are some tears in the canvas like this big one, and I hope I can fix it with some paint. Now I will attempt to fix the tears that I made with white paint. I don't know if that will do anything, but I will try. And now I will turn it on. Hello, so this is sponsored by the Walt, not yet, but please give us money for this painting.
Ding, ding, ding. What are you doing today?
Today I will repaint the painting that cracked with light.
So you're doing crack.
No, don't do drugs. Don't do drugs, please don't do it. Not good.
Why? People make money out of drugs.
Yes. More money than me and Monica with this painting, yes. But rather than doing drugs, please buy our paintings. Yes.
It lasts longer.
Yes, true. You can look at it forever.
Petra, I have an idea.
Yes.
Maybe we should sweep again.
Yes, we should. Let's do it.
No, you have to take the broom.
No, I'm not. You are the sweeping master. This is a little bit too deep. You think?
What can we do about it?
Maybe add a bit more glue to be a bit more thick.
Yes, I think so too.
Two vanilla milkshake, please. Coming right up. Thank you.
In your dreams, girls.
I will pour glue in the white color. We have a theory that the white won't crack if there will be glue in it. Are we ready to pour? Okie dokie. Okie dokie smoky. So this one is a little bit dirtier than this one, so I will pour brown here.
So that's the background color.
Yes.
It's very thin, I see.
Yes. Who did not?
I washed it very, very thoroughly. I thought, yes, I tried as hard as I could. I really tried.
Okay.
I'm sorry. But there's water in that cup and you can just put it in the corner. Yes, there. Ding, ding, ding.
The canvas is acting differently because this is the back side of the canvas.
Really?
Yeah. Can you see? It's acting like weird.
Hydrophobic, so it's not breaking up any color. I see. Why is that? Because it has a special glaze over it?
I don't know. No, but it is drinking. But it's like more, there are more soft tissue here, no, soft fabric. You know what I mean? They're like dlakice.
It's like fluffy.
Fluffy, yeah. But I do like how it drinks the color.
You like it?
Yeah, I don't know, in a weird way.
But you can see that it's again just in the middle. Yeah, you can see where the edges are and where the canvas concaved.
Yeah.
Is that a word?
Yeah.
Yeah. You have two more toilet rolls and you can put them under.
Yeah.
They're in that box.
Right now or after?
Yes, right now.
Finish? Maybe we can just put everything right here like this.
Ah, yeah. Okay, wait, let me help.
But we could do a kappa plate and then emergency plan in action.
Are cutting an emergency holder. It's from a really thick carton or cardboard. Is it? What do you say? I'm not sure. Oh, let's see if it fits. I think it's too wide. I think it's too wide right now, but I hope it works. Okay. Nah. We put the cardboard there inside there. So that the toilet rolls now stand on the carton.
There are really a lot of bubbles.
But these are not bubbles.
Yeah, I know.
Like you said, part of the fabric.
Operation is beginning now.
It's going apart in front of my eyes. It's like it would be 10 times as thin as the color actually is. Okay, except this one.
This looks great. I will just put it like this.
Yeah, I agree. It's beautiful! Yeah! It's really beautiful! Torch it, in the middle, yeah.
But I would maybe add a line here, what do you think?
Yeah?
A
Over
gold
white?
line.
Okay. Just like if a stand would fall, you know? just maybe just blow it there, that direction, downwards. I see this. And second try. Oh, it's beautiful. How about you? No.
Our teddy bear grew up! Yay!
So,
Here's the result!
this is what you've been waiting for, I hope.
Yes.
It's way flatter than last time. Everything seems great, and it has been few days, so nothing will crack.
Yay!
And behind it, as you saw in the video, there are all the things that were repaired on the canvas, the holes that I made. Here you can see it.
How about you show the actual result, Petra?
Oh, this is what you want. Sorry.
It's not the last time's failure.
Ta-da! So, this is how it went. I actually really like those dots that formed. I don't mind them, especially here in the middle. There are lots of dots, and I really like them all. And as you can see, this is extremely flat surface, nothing. So I think all the color just went somewhere. Yeah. Take the photo. Yes. Now you can do it. Yeah, you can see how the golden colors are shining in the light.
Just like me!
Yes.
Okay, yeah, end of painting. I hope you liked our result because we tried hard to fix it, and you saw that a few things went aside that we thought.
Yeah.
For example, the fabric that we mentioned is still pretty much seen.
You should maybe try to comment which one do you like better. I think I'm for the last one, but it went bad, so I will take this one.
Yeah, maybe we should just glaze it over so it shines more. But for now, I think it is very beautiful.
I think so too.
So, like the video and subscribe down below and leave any comments that you like. And we'll be here next week, so don't forget to see us. Yes. Bye.
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 Bye. Bye.